In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana custom fields. Custom fields in Asana offer a powerful way to capture vital information across your team's projects, helping you tailor your workflows to meet specific needs. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the Asana website. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. Asana supports several login options, so for a seamless experience, I recommend clicking on Continue with Google. Choose the appropriate Google account that you typically use for work, which will bring you right into your Asana workspace without any fuss. Now, it's time to select the project where you want to add custom fields. You can do this easily by navigating through your project list and selecting the desired project. Once inside your project, you're going to focus on the table's header row. This is where you'll add your new custom field. On the far right-hand side of this header, look for the plus icon. Click it, and a simple wizard will guide you through the process of adding a custom field. The first thing you'll need to decide is the type of field you want to create. Asana provides several options like text, number, drop-down, and more. The type of field you choose will depend on the kind of information you want to capture. For example, if you need to track numerical data, a number field would be a great choice. After choosing the field type, give your field a descriptive title. This is important as it should clearly indicate the purpose of the field, making it easy for team members to understand what information is needed. If you're creating a drop-down field, you'll also have the option to add multiple options for selection. Think about the different choices team members might need and add them now to streamline data entry later. Once you're satisfied with the field title and any options you've added, it's time to finalize everything by clicking on the Create Field button. This action saves your new custom field and adds it to your project's table, ready to be filled with valuable information by your team. These custom fields will now appear in each task within the project, enabling a more organized and efficient way to collect and share data specific to your team's workflow. By customizing Asana to reflect your project's needs, you'll enhance visibility, maintain alignment, and keep everyone in sync. They serve as building blocks for creating a more productive and tailored project management experience, opening new avenues for measurement and optimization. And there you have it. You are now equipped to add custom fields in Asana, empowering your team to navigate through projects with precision and clarity. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy project managing.